Don't stop. Just evolve into a crocodile. Cute. Cute? Yeah, kind of cute. I like it this way more than it was what it looked like just before. Because it's cute when it's on the ground like this. And the fire. Wait, it has a little fire burb on its nose. It's like a little kotori. Oh my god, why? And the fire, the moving fire, like clouds that's coming out of its mouth look really cool too. I like it. Looks like a clown. Hey, no! But the burb is so cute and it kind of feels like it's showing him the way. Oh, I want to see like how it's like animated. Does the burb do anything? Fire ghost! Cool! There you go. The fairy bird changes shape when Skeledirge sings. What? Rumor has it that the bird was born when the fireball on Skeledirge's head gained a soul. Fireball on his head? It was born from the egg! Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it has like a little companion. Oh, I'm happy with this. Torch song? That sounds special. That's the thing where you said it's gonna sing. Oh, I wanna see that. Yatta! I wanna see it. I wanna use it right away.
Later.
I could probably still one-hit you, but wow, this is perfect. We wanna see Sparks in action. Let's go. Burn, 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 burn. Burb is not on the snoot. Burb is on the head now. Wasn't it on the snoot before? Torch song. Let me look at you. What? Whoa! It's a phoenix! Why did it become a stick? For a moment, was that a bug or is that normal? Well, I want to see it again. That's a sick move. It's a microphone? Okay, it kind of looked like that. Okay. I'm just gonna do it again because I want to see it again. Mokai.
Do it again.